Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Crunchbase account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type crunchbase.com and press enter to go to the official Crunchbase website. Wait for the homepage to fully load so all buttons and menus appear correctly. Look at the top right area of the page for the login option. Click Login to open the sign-in page. If you do not see Login, click the menu icon and then select Login from the menu. On the login page, identify the email or username input field. Click inside the email field and type the email address linked to your Crunchbase account. Move to the password field by clicking it or pressing the Tab key on your keyboard. Type your Crunchbase password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to avoid typing mistakes, use the Show Password icon if it is available. Confirm that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of your email or password. If the page offers social sign-in options, choose Google, Apple, or LinkedIn only if that is how you originally created your account. If you choose a social option, follow the on-screen prompts to approve access and continue. If you are logging in with email and password, click the Login or Sign In button to submit your details. Wait a few seconds while Crunchbase verifies your credentials. If you are asked to complete a security check, follow the instructions such as selecting images or confirming you are not a robot. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your phone or authenticator app for the verification code. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and submit it to continue. After a successful login, you should be redirected to your Crunchbase dashboard or homepage. Check the top right corner to confirm you see your profile icon or account name. If you land on a pricing page, click back and then try logging in again from the login page. If your password is incorrect, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and submit the password reset request. Open your email inbox, find the Crunchbase reset email, and click the reset link. Create a new strong password, save it securely, and return to the Crunchbase login page. Try logging in again using your updated password. If you still cannot log in, use the help or support link on Crunchbase to contact their support team with your account email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.